My name is Lisette Almeida, and today I would like to introduce you a new concept to live or to invest. Come with me. Welcome to Open Harbor. This is our latest touristic project in Seychelles. It's a very expanding area just 16 minutes away from Lisbon. It's a 4-star tourism development designed for living and investing. Open Harbor provides you the amenities of an hotel in the comfort of your home with elegant spaces and premium services. We have a restaurant, a gym, a sauna, indoor and outdoor pools, fire pits and rooftop bar. The wellness area provides experience designed for both daily life and extended stays. The fully equipped and furnished apartments were designed for different lifestyles and goals, from studios to 3 bedrooms with high-quality finishes and functional layouts. As an investment, Open Harbor adapts to you. You can use your apartment, live in it, or choose guaranteed return under the management of Stay Open Hospitality Group, Libertas Hotel Group. Can you imagine waking up with this amazing view every day? Come and visit Open Harbor.